The idea is that we're gonna talk to the glizzy before it's cooked, talk to the glizzy after it's cooked, and then talk to the glizzy in its belly. We're gonna skip the final phase because it's a little insanitary.
I'm sure the glizzy will talk through me later. This is about to be groundbreaking science. For the first time in human history, we are going to hear the sound of a glizzy. Ignore the lament configuration. We are not doing black magic.
Are you gonna have two glizzies talk to each other?
Yes.
Oh fuck. This is a jam.
It's a fucking jam.
We took this trip to Garden Grove.